Many people are silently struggling. Some face abuse, others are fighting through life's challenges every single day. What they often need most is a little positivity and encouragement. If you are someone who's good at giving hope, sharing kind words, and inspiring others, why not start a social media page dedicated to that? You can create a code page, post daily motivation, and build a community that looks forward to your uplifting messages. The best part, you can actually grow your following and start earning money online, either through social media platforms or by creating simple digital products in this niche and sell them online. I personally know someone who started just like this, sharing positive codes, and now she's making a steady income online doing what she loves. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can create your beautiful code designs, place them on free templates, and share them on your page, all without spending a cent. It's simple, creative, and a perfect way to start growing your inspirational brand online. You can even turn your codes into a PDF file and sell it on platforms like Hosting. The best part is you can do all this without showing your face. Now, let's get into it. Well, first you need to choose your audience. The niche is advice, positive advice or reinforcement to that audience. So you can choose any. Like if you are giving advice to the young people, then that would be your audience would be the young people. If you're talking to moms or first time moms or the fathers, then that audience would be the first time moms or fathers. So example, I'm going to choose um, a first time moms. So then you will have to come up with your page name, and then if you cannot come up with a page name, you can simply go to ChatGPT. It's free to use. If you haven't registered yet, you can simply go to Google, type ChatGPT, and log in, sign in using your email address, and you can start using it. It's completely free. And once you're done with that, you can type in, give me maybe 5 names of this. You put down codes for moms. So let's try this. Give me 5 names for my page, for page on positive re reinforcement for young while you and young moms. Make it just 2 words. 2 words. Guys, so we will wait, it will generate this. So yeah, other different names: Mom Afle, Positive Mama, Grace Growth, Happy Motherhood, Nature Bloom. Okay, you can just select one of those names to use it for your page, and you can create a page, name it, upload a picture of it, and then if you don't know how to create a profile picture for that, and let me just show you. create I'll say logo for this, for name number 2, for name number 2. Okay, so let's see, you can name number 2 for your Facebook page or YouTube page channel. Okay, so it will just generate that. It will take a while, maybe some minutes to do that. So you see this ChatGPT, it will generate 3 to 5 free images every day. So you can use it to generate those codes for your page. So anyway, it will take a while, so we will move on to another. We'll open new chat and then continue on, then later we can check. Okay, so that's that. Now the name is, let's check the name again, sorry. Our name here, is it still generating? Okay, the name Positive Mama. Okay, so that's the page name. Okay, we'll come back and check. Okay, Positive Mama. Now you're going to create codes, positive codes for those mama, okay, to inspire mothers out there. They may, there are some things that maybe they are going through which we don't know, but you can create something for them. Okay, and then you can go to ChatGPT. Okay, we just tap the new page there. So you type in give me. Every day you can do that, give me, or one day you can just create 10 to 15 pages codes, and then you can upload 2 or 3 every day. Give me 10 codes, positive codes for positive codes for mothers. Okay, you simply type that and then it will generate. You can come up with your own prompt and then you put it in. Okay, so here they are. A mother's love in the heartbeat of the home, steady, strong, and unending. You can create codes and then you can come up with different positive encouragement posts on your social media page. Okay, so we got this one here, and then okay, now we will select. Okay, we'll select 9. Behind every strong child is a mother who believes in them first. Okay, so we'll put this on the picture. Now put code number 9 on a picture with a beautiful force at the back with sunset, and make it natural. Put a small pink rose at the side to represent hope, Okay, so now we will just step this to generate it. Okay, while waiting for this to be generated, let's check the other one. Okay, so you see, so here's the logo, which you can simply tap it like this and then save it to your gallery, and you can simply upload that to your page. Okay, so that's our logo for the page, your Facebook page or your channel page or whatever page you want to create. Okay, so we are done with that. Let's check the other one. Okay, it's still generating. Okay, while waiting for this, we can ask ChatGPT to um, put this one. Let's copy all this. Okay. Okay, copy the text. We'll go to new page and then I'll teach you how to do it. Okay, we paste this one and put this in a PDF for me to sell online. Okay, so just do this and then we are going to wait. While waiting for this, let's check this code. Okay, I think it's still generating. Okay, let's check the other one. PDF. Okay, and the PDF is ready, so this one is in PDF form now right now, so we can simply go here and then start downloading the PDF, and we can simply open it and check. So here's the PDF where you can create more and then sell online, make it sell it online on hosting. I'll leave the link in the description for you to check it out. Okay, let's go back and check the okay, so here's our beautiful template where you can share with your friends online. Just share with on your page or with your friends. So you can simply go here and then save it to your gallery, and well, that's it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more tips on how to make money online and turn your creativity into income. If you would like to know more about something, drop a comment below and I'll create a video for you. Well, check this video out on how to create a kid's storybook and sell online. I'll see you in the next video.